Hi, so, what do we think of this new setup firstly? I've got a new camera, my ring light's closer to me, everything's a bit, I'm working things out. If I'm a bit bright, sorry. But I got this new camera for my birthday and it's really good. I'm trying to just figure things out with this new flat I've moved into, and just, this is my first video I'm filming, so I don't know how it looks. But I have a new wig to review, so we're going to just jump straight into it because I think I've got a lot of content to film today. So, UNIWIGS. That's them. They got in touch with me and they asked if I wanted to review a wig, and I'm like, me, Ava Cassandra, review a wig? Crazy. So of course I said yes, and I'm just gonna jump straight to showing you it. Firstly, box, lovely. Ooh, comes with things. Comes with a return and exchange thing, which is nice. And what is this? A whole little booklet. Unique design just for you. Ooh, content. It's a whole, like, the journey of being a better self. Making purchases is the first step, and UNIWIGS will always be with you during this journey. Okay. What if I want to return or exchange? What tips are there for installing a product? How to style? Can I heat it? Can I swim in it? How often should I wash it? What should I know before washing it? What should I do if it gets frizzy? How do I post a review and get loyalty points? That's a thing UNIWIGS do on their website. You buy wigs and leave reviews, you get loyalty points, and they can go towards discounts on future wigs, or just a wig itself, I don't know. That's cool, nice little information booklet, I appreciate that. And I got a wig cap for two. Black one, nude one. I love the nude wig caps. I don't know why they're different sizes. But no, here is the wig. So, it's like Creamfields Day. So basically, I don't know if it's a Liverpool thing or what, but this weekend, today-ish, it is not only a bank holiday weekend, but also the weekend of the Creamfields Festival, which I believe is some sort of music festival. So anyone who wasn't able to go to Coachella or Glastonbury or Reading or Leeds or whatever other festivals there are, they go to, I guess, this one. And so we're doing at work, tonight's theme is like festival girl. So, you know, like, I'm gonna look like one of those girls who really thinks people care about what she looks like, and she goes on Instagram and she posts like cool pictures pretending she's at Coachella, and actually, you know the girls. So I'm gonna do that, and I thought this hair was gonna be perfect for it because, so it's like a rooted blonde, well, it's like very ashy, almost silver blonde, but then with like a more natural dark blonde root, and then it's got these lovely streaks of colour hidden in it. Oh, I've seen like videos and pictures of wigs like this on Instagram and stuff. Never thought, well, not even wigs, people get hairstyles like this where it's like a hidden colour, because you can see from the back, you can see like the silver and the red and then a little bit of the undercolours. But then underneath it, there's a lot of green and yellow. So, oh, it's really nice. Ooh. I just think this is so cool, so I'm looking forward to wearing this today. So I thought I'm gonna let this wig inspire today's makeup as well. So I'm gonna go and kind of get inspired by the colours of this wig and do a quick makeup look inspired by the wig, get myself ready, get myself into some drags, and then throw the wig on and let you know what I think. I just don't feel like it's right for me to review a wig when I look like this. Let's go on and do some makeup. I don't know the right way to put these things on, but I like to put them on this way. I feel like it works better. That's why I prefer to do that before I've got my makeup on, really. By the way, everyone, I don't know if you can hear, but I'm so ill today. Now that my hair is out of my face, I'm going to glue my eyebrows down because we're going to give ourselves some nice new eyebrows. Okay, so there's the first layer of glue down, so now I'm going to get in with my face. Honestly, this is going to be the same as every other time I do my makeup. It's going to be like, you know, cover the eyebrows, do base, highlight, contour, feminize my face. I have a lot of tutorials on how I have done this, so I'm not going to make this video longer than it has to be by talking about all that. So I might very quickly go over it, but if you want a more in-depth tutorial, check literally every other video that I have. So we're going to start with primer. We do this because we like our skin. So today it's going to be all beautiful and soft and whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a pure white paint stick and put that in the highlight areas before anything. That looks so white on camera. And you know what? I'm putting a lot on because I want my cheeks to be very white and very puffy and very filled out. snatched very high up. Because we're what? Women. We're going to go in with the darks. And we're going to blend this eventually. Ooh, look at that. That looks atrocious. I don't really like overly contoured cheeks on me. Are any of you one of those people that likes to wear way too much lip balm? You're just like... I honestly love how I look right now. You know what? I think this brow cover is satisfactory. The blend. Blend in the edges, but also being conscious of where I place the contour and the highlight. Oh my god. That all in this like part of my face that's like contoured, but I don't want it light as my cheeks. So there we've got the eyebrows and eyes basically kind of sketched out so we know where everything's going to go. And already that's really helped feminize our face, hasn't it? I'll start with setting the lights first. I'm going to just throw that on under my eyes, on my cheeks. Start off in the forehead. Oh, there's so much on my brush now because it's broke. Oh god. Start on the eyes now, because I'm wearing like basically a full orange outfit, so I don't want my makeup to be orange as well, because I think that'd be silly. So I'm going to instead use like the colours from the hair that I'm using. So that involves like a yellowy green, kind of yellow, and more of a turquoise green, and then some like lovely like pinks, and then a purple. So I think I'm gonna do like a greeny, yellowy, maybe some blue in this lid, and then like pink and purple on the crease. That sounds like a good idea. So I'm first going to go in with a white eyeshadow and just set any of these whites with a white powder. I like this green colour though. This is lovely. It's like a jade. I also just think these green eyes, this will look really cool with like the orange outfit I'm wearing. There's a lot of green on the lid. That's lovely. Dot it along the crease line. There we go. And now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. So there's the main colours of the eyes done. It's really like 80s this. Oh, this is kind of festival actually. Covered in it and just go to town. We know those festival girls, they like a glow. Right there. Ooh. Paint some of that on my eye. Yep. I'm going to take the iridescent glitter again and put that on as highlight. Oh, the glow. That's a very festival thing to do, isn't it? Have the glitter on the cheekbones. Just, oh, yeah, wow. This is cute. I'm into this look so far. I don't want to have to like take my makeup off and then put it back on, so I'll do mascara tomorrow, whatever. Alright, and I think that's the most of the makeup actually done. So I'm going to change into my outfit, put my body on, maybe put a bit of glitter on. Then I'm going to put the wig on and we'll see how it all looks. And I'm back and I've got my outfit on. It's like a weird strappy orange top and then an orange dress, then an orange skirt. And a belt, and I feel like it's all very festival-y, and I'm going to wear some boots. Here is the wig by UNIWIGS. This is going to be our festival hair today. So I'm going to start off by cutting the lace off. I'm pretty confident it's going to fit. I can't be bothered trying it on. I'm in a rush to go, so I'm going to just cut the lace off, and then I'm going to put it on, and then you're going to see how it looks. I can already tell you, though, it looks great. It feels great. Quality of it is good. I looked on their website. It was so hard for me to pick one. There's so much choice. And it looks just like the picture. So sometimes you worry if what you get is going to look like the picture, but you don't need to worry about that with this. You get what you ask for. It's got a little thing attached to it as well from UNIWIGS, just to tell me the style is SL1300 and the colour is YL1300. Alright, so here it is. The lace has been cut off, so let's put her on. I don't know if you can quite tell here, but there are a lot of tracks, so many tracks of hair. There's a lot of hair here, which is great news. And 3 combs, and I actually really like the combs that come with the wigs. They really help me secure it to my head when I'm doing things. And this one actually has a comb in the back. Not many have combs in the back. Ooh. Right, what do we think then? From here, it looks like a really nice blonde wig. But then it's got all these hidden details, and I love this so much. Naturally, I think it's got centre parting. I definitely want it to have more of a side parting, but I think that's something I would have to set and style in there. But the whole front of it is partable. It's got a complete lace front. Ooh, that was really cooperative actually. Look how nice that looks. It feels good, it looks good. Oh, wow. In work tonight, I will be throwing my hair around. I don't want it to fly off. Fabulous as that'd be. Okay, and what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take some spirit gum and glue down all the lace. So just put a generous amount, just dot it around. And then give it a minute or so, if that. Let's get it nice and tacky down and hold it there for a minute. And then the glue should adhere and your hair will look like it is growing out your scalp. Once the lace is glued down, that's pretty much invisible. It looks so good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pin it behind my ears. I'm going to put it in a tiny, tiny, tiny ponytail. What do we think of this hair? I think it is lovely. It is just so good. So if you like this wig, you can go over to uniwigs.com, go to their website, and here is your code you can use for a discount. Save some money, you know, whatever. Put lashes on, some glitters on. I even put some glitter in my hair just for fun. This hair is amazing though. It's so cute. I'm really happy with it. Thanks so much, UNIWIGS. If there's any more information on this wig that you need to know, it's going to be in the description. You're going to find out what specific wig this is, discount code, UNIWIGS, social media, all things like that. It's all going to be in the description below, as is links to my social media, because if you're interested in keeping up with me, you can. I'm on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube mainly. Instagram is instagram.com/AvaCassandra, Facebook Ava Cassandra, YouTube Ava Cassandra. That's me. I'm Ava Cassandra. And now I'm also going. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought. Leave a comment, leave a like, do all those things. It all really helps. Yeah. And if you liked this video and you like this look, let me know. Alright, cool. Bye. Mwah.